Well, this is a test comparing two vehicles. Both are Nissan NP300s, but with some crucial differences. This is a new car, but sold across markets in Africa. The comparison is with the other vehicle, which is actually an older second-hand vehicle, but coming from Europe. The test carried out at 56 kilometers an hour, the two of them crashing together. So you have an extraordinary comparison between a new car and a second-hand car.
The main things we can see in the new car, in the new NP300 hard body, is if you take a look at the compartments where we're sitting, the first of all is that it's completely collapsed. Steering wheel, it's compressing the dummy, the driver. In the case that we need to rescue that person, it will be really hard to try to get the person out of the car. To explain it in a better way, this car is being sold as a hard body with airbags in it, and talking about or giving the impression to the consumer that it's a robust car, it's a safe car. But as from what we can see now, it doesn't look that much.
Whereas the other vehicle has performed pretty well and the body shell has held up. So this is a rather dramatic story. It shows that if you're a consumer in Africa, you're actually getting a very poor offer here. You're getting a vehicle that is substandard, that is catastrophically failing in a crash. Whereas the second-hand vehicle bought in Europe, where there are much tougher crash test standards and where Euro NCAP has been driving up vehicle standards over many years. So you have an extraordinary comparison between a new car and a second-hand car, where the best choice for the consumer, for sure, is get the second-hand vehicle.